Hi, and welcome on the English is a Beauty YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the main rules for using past continuous tense. Past continuous is used to describe actions in progress at a particular moment in the past. For example, were you sleeping yesterday in the evening when I called you? Past continuous is also used to describe temporary actions and a series of events in the past. For example, at the end of 1980s, I was working for a big tech company in California. We also use past continuous tense to describe changing and developing situations in the past. For example, Maria was getting frustrated with her internet provider, so she decided to change. Do you remember the rule for using present continuous tense? The one that we use when we want to describe someone's annoying habits. The same goes for past continuous. We use it to describe someone's annoying or amusing habits in the past. For example, when Tanya was a kid, she was always interrupting her parents. Another rule for past continuous. We normally use it to give background information in a story. For example, it was raining outside and people were rushing back home after work. Also, we use past continuous to describe two actions in progress at the same time. For example, while I was doing my homework, my brother was playing a guitar. The difference between past continuous and past simple is that we use past continuous to provide background information in a story, whereas we use past simple to describe main event. For example, when we were talking about Africa, Julie mentioned her trip there 5 years ago. Please note that to describe regular actions or habits in the past, we use past simple, not past continuous. For example, when I was a child, I visited my grandmother every week. So these were the main rules for using the past continuous tense. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now I got a question for you. How often do you use past continuous tense in your daily conversations? Please share this with me by commenting this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, English is a beauty.